how to share or transfer any files to other device without Share It app. Before I start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell for more videos. Thanks for your time. For this video tutorial, how to share any files without Share It app for other device. Before that, I'll show you two screens of my phone so you can see that I don't have the Share It app. You see, I don't have the Share It app. Now I will show you how to transfer these files to another device. Slide your phone screen and find the nearby share. Click Turn On. Click Turn On and click Everyone. And turn on the nearby share on the other phone as well. Click again to turn on. Click Turn On. And here there are 3 options: Contacts, Device, and Everyone. It's up to you which one you choose. I will choose Everyone and click Done. Next, let's click on the gallery because I'm sending a picture. Next, click Share to send the picture. And click Nearby Share. Next, click the phone icon. Wait for connecting. Please click Accept to connect. And wait to finish. Done to send picture. Please back to your home. Before I leave, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care everyone. Bye bye.